going through Step and A Step by Niju. We just went through the first chorus of that song last week in our Kpop Dance Workshop in Arizona. The choreography is so cute and we danced so lovely. It was so much fun. So in this video, I'm gonna give you guys a quick tutorial, and at the end of this video, we're gonna go through with the actual music. So hopefully you guys can join me as well. Before we start, I would like to announce to you guys that we have in-person K-pop workshop in Arizona every Tuesday and Thursday at 8 to 9 p.m. We also offer a free live workshop on our Facebook group called the Arizona Kpop Dance Workshop, and all of the information are in the description below. So whoever loves K-pop dancing, please feel free to join us. Alright, without any further ado, let's get started. Alright, so today we're gonna start with 5, 6, and 7, 8. Good. So first, in the lyrics, they're gonna say, let's go. So with that lyrics, you're just gonna throw the arm and kick with your right leg. Boom. 5, 6, 7, and 8. You're gonna put the feet together and hands on the back. Next, we're gonna go back, kick, step, and step. Okay, so first, we're slightly facing to the right. So bend your left knee back, and then next, bring it forward. Now drop the left leg down and then drag the right leg back. Yeah, so that you can open your legs. Good. Now we're gonna switch. Bring the right knee up and drag your left leg a little bit back. Yes. And then again, we're gonna drop and drag back. Good. That's it. So left knee back, front, drop, switch, drop. That's it. You got it? Alrighty. From the beginning. 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Good. Now we're gonna face front and then make circle from the left toe and right toe. Good. Step back, step back. Next, we're gonna lean backward and cross the arm. Now we're gonna step forward, cross the other arm up, and then we're gonna open. When you open it, lean on your right leg, and again, draw your left toe. Drop a circle. Good. Okay. So after back, front, step, and step, we're gonna face front, drag, drag, left, right, open. Yes. So that we can slightly face to the left. Next, we're gonna switch the legs and do the same thing. Bend your right knee back and front and open and open. Yes. Next, we're gonna keep facing to the left, but we're gonna bring the right knee up and shake it. Shake it. Good. From here, just gonna shake, shake. Make a fist. You're gonna move your shoulders up, up, twice, and then cross and open your arms. We're gonna turn around on your left side. Turn around. Good. So that we can make OK pose. Make sure your hip facing to the right. Make OK pose with your hands. Just like this. Left arm is on top. Good. Okay. And then put your feet together and hands flip and up. Good. Okay, to flip. Alright, let's start with the very beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8, and step. Front, step, and step. Drag, drag. Cross, cross, open, switch, front, step, and step, shake, shake, cross, turn around, okay, flip, step, step. Alright, in the count, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. After this, we're gonna cross the arms and point you with your right toe, and we're just gonna switch, feet together, bring your arms from the right to behind your head, flip your hands, make a fist, in. Good. After step, step, right and left, circle, flip, and in. Yes. Throw your arms and the chest in so that you can open your arms and then step right, left, and again put your hands on the back, and again step to the cross from your left toe and switch to the right, and then we're gonna step 3 times. Right, left, right, yes. Put your hands together, toss next to your ear, right, left, right. And then last thing, we're just gonna pose. Point, point. Good. After right, left, right. Your legs start with the left, but point with your right hand and switch. Alright, now let's start with the OK pause. 5, 6, 7, 8, and OK. Flip, walk, cross, 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 circle, in, right, left, and step, step, right, left, right, point, point. Good. Alright, we're halfway through. Let's go through from the very beginning with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, turn around, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and cross, cross, circle, in, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good. Now after this, we're gonna cross the arms and throw it on the side and hip on the right. What we're gonna do is 1, 2, and 3, 4. Good. You can put your weight on your toes so that you can move your heels. Right, left, right, left, right. And then next, when we go left, OK pose to the left, and then OK pose to the right. Good. 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we're gonna go down. 7, and 8, 1. Good. Alright, we're just gonna go down. As soon as you bend your knees, you're gonna move your hip to the right, left, right, left. Your neck as well. Right, left, right, left. Good. Now, after this, we're gonna open the arms and step to the left. Open, and then move your hip left, right. Put your feet together. Drop your arms. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, drop your arms down. What we're gonna do next is step right, left, and then we're gonna face right. And then you bend your right knee first, and then we're just gonna switch left, right, and then step back. Okay? After drop your arms down, face to the right, right, left, right, step back. Your arms, after drop it down, you're gonna make OK pose. Yes, but put your pinky together. Right, left, right, step back. The last one, right, right, chin up, okay? You're just gonna move your knees, right, right, step back. Okay, so open your arms, left, right, step down. 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1. Good. After we step back, we're gonna raise the right arm up, switch to the left, drop it down, and up. Right, left, down, bend your elbows and knees, and up. 2, and 3, 4. And on 5, you're gonna cross the left leg in front of the right one, and open the arms, left one is up. Now after this, we're gonna take the arms around the head from the left back to the left, and the right back to the right, and the left one goes to the right. Okay? After open, left, right, right. Good. Make sure your arms go through your head and then through the back, and then bring it back to the left. Again, bring it back to the right, and then to the left. Good. Now last one, we're just gonna open the arms, open the legs, and then bring your arms up, down, hip to the right, and then switch. Up, down, hip to the left, and then last one, up, pose. And then 7 and 8. This is your freestyle, so you can do whatever you want. Okay, so right, left, down, up, open, left, right, right, up, left, up, pose, 7 and 8. Good. Alright, this is it. I know it has a lot of steps and moves, so let's go through one more time from open pose. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and up, right, up, left, up, pose, 7 and 8. Good. Alright, now we're gonna start with the beginning of the second chorus, which is 7, 8, pose. 5, 6, 7. Pose, pose. And 1, 2, and 3, 4. Okay, okay. Down, right, left. Step left, switch. Up, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And up, right, up, left, up, pose. 7 and 8. Alright, now let's go through with the counts one more time, the second chorus, and we're gonna put the whole chorus together. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, let's put whole chorus together. We're gonna start from throwing part. 5, 6, 7, 8, and step, front, step, and step, drag, drag, cross, cross, up, step, front, step, and step, shake, shake, cross, turn around, okay, flip, 3, 4, and cross, cross, circle, in, 1, 2, and step, step, 5, 6, 7, point, point, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and up, hit, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, let's go through one more time with the count, and then we're gonna start with the music. Here we go. 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, let's start with action music. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, good job guys, and thank you so much for dancing with me. Hope this tutorial will help you to get through this chorus. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know with the comments down below. And also don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and then I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!